Yeah, good evening. You're all welcome. This video is to help those that are following the Shiba mining and do not know exactly how to start mining or start accumulating Shiba Inu for themselves. If you know you have followed the link I dropped earlier on this group and you still don't know how to accumulate this Shiba Inu, you still cannot mine, just watch this video, follow it very well. It's to help you. Now I'll be showing you some things you will be doing to get a lot of Shiba Inu for yourself. There are tasks you do, you can get up to 25 million Shiba Inu, but there are also other tasks you do. There are some tasks some people may be able to do and some you may not be able to do. But there's one everybody can do. I'll be showing us live here. Every 5 minutes interval, 5 minutes interval, you'll be accumulating 2,000 Shiba Inu here on this platform. It's real. For those that are in doubt, it is real. A lot of people are cashing out, except they're not interested. So without wasting time, let's go into it. First of all, go over to the menu button here, click on it. Then when it loads, you come over to, okay, let me show you where the bigger fishes are. The bigger fishes are located on tax here. Click on tax, you wait for it to load. Okay, it has opened. First of all, you want to read very well the instruction. It says fake proofs will lead to immediate suspension of your account. So I don't want to waste much time. Let's just look at this first tax here. Now these are where the bigger fishes are. Make one video and publish it on YouTube. Now there are guidelines, there are rules you have to follow. Your video must have to meet while uploading on YouTube. And at the end, look at what you'll be making, a whole lot. 25 million pieces of Shiba Inu. Do you know what that is in our Naira? Now in dollar, it's about 1,200 US dollar. Now converting to our Naira, it's over 400,000. Selling on Binance should be like 500 or 600 and some thousand Naira. Now people are cashing out big time. But let me do one live now for you to see how you can accumulate 2,000 worth of Shiba Inu for yourself in 5 minutes interval. Now let's go back to the menu button, click on it, go over to manual for sets and wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, it's done loading now. This is how it is. It says ready, 5 minutes. It's telling you after claiming your 2,000 pieces of Shiba Inu, you have to wait another 5 minutes to get the chance to claim another 2,000 pieces of Shiba Inu. So here it says 2,000 tokens. Okay, now we want to go down. Now always read the instructions, what they're asking you to do. It says please click on the anti-bot links to the following order 746. Now listen, what you want to do. Now they've not just given you straight, it's indirect. They're giving you math to solve. That says 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, which is the last one. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. So you know you are going to be clicking on what? 6 plus 1, which is 7. 4, 3 plus 1, which is 4. Now 3 plus 3, which is 6. You are done. You have done it in the correct order. Now you want to tick this captcha. I am not a robot, to verify I am not a robot. Now I've done that. Now you want to click on this blue big button, collect your rewards. Now I've done that. So when I've done this now, I'm sure to receive my 2,000 pieces of what? The Shiba token, which is equal to 2,000 pieces of Shiba Inu. The 2,000 worth of Shiba Inu token is equal to what? 2,000 pieces of Shiba Inu. So I'll just wait for it to load. Wow, the network is bad. Yippee! So it says good job, 2,000 tokens has been added to your balance. So what you want to do is click on OK. So I'm done. What I want to do now is to go over to, they're just showing a lot of adverts here. So I want to go to my dashboard by clicking on the menu again. Now that's dashboard. Click on the dashboard. and wait for it to load, and that is it. As simple as that. Thank you.